Okay. Now we will discuss some problems on Kohlrausch law, equivalent distance, equivalent conductance, molar conductance, cell constant, etc. Okay. So you note down the questions. At 25 degrees Celsius, the equivalent conductances of of CH3COONA, HCl and NaCl at infinite distances are 91, 426.16 and 126.45 ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. Okay, or respectively. What is the lambda naught? That is equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. What is the lambda naught value of CH3COOH? CH3COOH is a weak electrolyte. So on extrapolation technique we cannot determine lambda naught value. So it is determined by using Kohlrausch law. Okay, right. Lambda naught CH3 COOH is equal to lambda naught CH3COONA plus lambda naught HCl minus lambda naught NaCl. If we apply Kohlrausch law for this, and if we apply Kohlrausch law, finally we get lambda naught CH3COO minus and lambda naught H plus, which is equal to lambda naught CH3COH. Okay, these are strong electrolytes, so these can be the values of lambda naught values for these substances can be determined by extrapolation technique. Of course, they are given. So here lambda naught CH3COONA, is 91 plus lambda naught HCl, second one HCl, that is 426.16 minus lambda naught NaCl 126.45 ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. So if we add these two, 0.16, 6 plus 1 7, okay, 9 plus 2 11, 517 minus 126.45. So 1, 11 minus 4 7, 0, 11 minus 2 9, okay, 4 minus 1 3. So lambda naught CH3COH is equal to 390.71 ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. So this is the lambda naught for CH3COH. If a weak base like lambda naught NH4OH, we have to find lambda naught NH4OH. Then lambda naught values of which substances are need. So lambda naught NH4Cl plus lambda naught HCl, lambda naught NaOH lambda naught NaOH minus lambda naught NaCl. Okay, if the values of these three are known, okay, by substituting those values in these things, we get lambda naught NH4OH. Okay, so here lambda naught NH4Cl plus lambda naught Cl. Here minus lambda naught Cl, they cancel out. Next, lambda naught plus lambda naught Na minus lambda naught Na, they cancel out. Okay, finally lambda naught NH4 plus lambda naught OH minus, they remain. And those according to Kohlraasch law, the sum of these two becomes lambda naught NH4OH. Okay, so it is a weak base. Its lambda naught value can be determined using the values of delta naught NH4Cl, lambda naught NaOH, lambda naught NaCl, etc. Okay, we take next. Second question. Lambda C of CH3COOH, lambda naught of CH3COOH at 25 degrees Celsius, is 16.3 ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. The ionic conductance of H plus under CH3COO minus at infinite dilution at infinite dilution or 349.83 under 40.89 ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. Okay. What is degree of ionization of? What is degree of ionization of? What is degree of ionization of CH3COOH? Okay. What they have asked degree of ionization. Degree of ionization means they asked alpha. So alpha is equal to lambda C by lambda 0 or lambda naught. Okay, alpha is equal to lambda C by lambda. Lambda C is given. Then we have to find out lambda naught. How to get lambda naught? Lambda naught CH3COOH is equal to, according to Kohlraasch law, lambda naught CH3COO minus plus lambda naught H plus. So lambda naught CH3COO minus is 40.89 plus lambda naught H plus is 349.83. Okay. So 9 plus 3, 11, 12, 9 plus 3, 12, next 16 plus 1, 17, 1, 10, okay, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 3. So lambda naught value is 390.72. Therefore, alpha is equal to lambda C 16.3 by lambda naught value 390.72. Okay. If we simplify, we get it as a 0.04072. Okay. So here there will be no units for degree of ionization or degree of dissociation, because the units of these two are same, they cancel out, right? So this is another question, another type of a question. Next one, we'll go to another type of a problem. At 25 degrees Celsius, the specific conductance of CH3COOH of a concentration 0.01 N is 0.30163 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. What is lambda C? What is lambda C at this concentration? What is lambda C at this concentration? Okay. So here specific conductance, that is K is given, that is 0.30163. K is given and normality is given. We have to calculate equivalent conductance at the given concentration. First we have to remember the formula. Equivalent conductance lambda C is equal to K into 1000 by normality. K into 1000 by normality. That is equal to K is given as 0.30163 into 1000 by normality 0.01. Okay. That is equal to, this is 0.163 into 1000. Okay. 0.163 by 10 power minus 2. Okay. This is 10 power minus 2, or that is 0.163 into 10 square. 0.163 into 10 square, or that is equal to 16.3. Okay. So ohm inverse units will be ohm inverse centimeter square. This is equivalent conductance. So ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse, because it is equivalent conductance. Okay. So this is another type of a problem. Next one. Okay, we'll discuss another type of problem. The conductivity of KCl solution, at 25 degrees Celsius, is 0.3704 Siemens centimeter square, centimeter power minus 1. Okay, it is K. The solution causes a resistance of 1.5 ohms. So R is given. find a cell constant. Find a cell constant. That means we have to find out a G naught value. We have to find out the G naught value. Okay. We have already gone through the formula, that is or 1 by R is equal to, or L by A, cell constant, is equal to K into R, or K is equal to R into Z naught. K is equal to C into G naught. Okay. C is equal to 1 by R. Okay. 1 by R. G naught is equal to L by A. If we bring this R value, it will be like this, right? So this is the formula for. So what are given? What are given? The conductivity of KCl solution at 25 degrees Celsius is 0.3704. So K is given. The solution causes a resistance of 1.5 ohms. So we have to find the cell constant. So L by A is G star, that is equal to, what is K value? 0.3704 into R value 1.5 ohms, right? Okay, 15 fours 60, 105 plus 6 111, 45 plus 11, 45 plus 11, 56. Okay, so here we have to put a decimal before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Okay, this will be here. These values are given in centimeter, Siemens centimeter inverse. So cell constant will be centimeter power minus 1. Okay, 556. Okay, once again you 15 fours 60, 15 fours 60, 6 60, okay, 60, 105, 105, 10, 45 plus 10, 55. So that becomes right, 0.55560 centimeter inverse. So cell constant can be drawn like this. Next one.